Imagine standing before a black canvas, the silence broken only by the brush strokes against a palette. As colors merge and dance, a unique story begins to unfold. This discussion unfolds in two parts. For this video, let us focus on values and keep aside the pressure of finding a unique art style. We are doing a bigger painting this time. I'm super excited and also nervous. I think it will turn out good. I have an idea where I want to do this painting for the kitchen. We have this dining table with a plain white wall, so I want to bring Indian theme, native Indian theme through my paintings which represent food in some way. I came up with this idea of doing a agricultural theme as one of the pieces. So there are three paintings that I want to do, and one is the agricultural one. The second I have done quite a while ago. I want to start fresh. I want to do something from zero. The big canvas always scares me because I don't know if I am strong enough to paint or good enough to paint on a bigger canvas, because I have barely done close to 10 or something, not more than that. Instead of hearing the result, I feel it's time that I should get started. One thing I wanted to tell was we will do a smaller painting first. So the last time I did that tea painting, I did the small painting first. I didn't do the big painting directly. I didn't do it on the canvas directly. I did the smaller one first. If you are following my channel since a while, you know this sketchbook. It's been here, all the stupid sketches. So this is my recent sketches. So I think the ratio of this is close to the canvas, so I will use this as my reference to paint. So we are not painting the whole details and all of that. We are just trying to figure out the ratios and the outlines. Basically, with the structure, it reduces 50% of the complexity problem. Maybe I'm going to paint this side and I'm not going to paint this side. My laptop was not working. I have posted about it a few days back. I don't know, for some reason the motherboard is not working, so I had to buy a new one. I bought the Surface Pro 9. It's very good, very sleek and very lightweight, which is what I wanted since ages. It's right here, see. It's very small. I want to extract the data from the previous laptop, the old one. I'm going to Best Buy to try to ask them if they can extract the data or buy a cable, which is the converter for connecting the SSD with the laptop. I tried to go for the appointment, but they do not have any appointments. So what I thought was to get a SATA cable, which is apparently used to connect SSD to the laptop. I am indecisive about if I should paint using watercolors or gouache. We will start with blocking in the major areas with the major colors and then going into details. I want to start with the canvas, but before that I have painted two recent paintings. One is the recent painting I did in this book, so I want to hang them on the wall because I haven't added anything recently, so I want to see how the wall looks. Let's do it together. One important thing I wanted to tell was about this, and I use this is the workable fixative spray. I use it to preserve my watercolor paintings because I don't want them to fade, or if water drops on them I don't want them to get spoiled. So I will spray this outdoors because you have to read the instructions, guys. It is a little suffocating. I feel suffocating with the smell of this spray. I have sprayed them and painted and framed them up there. So people love this painting for some reason. I have spent hours and hours on this. Are meant to be on the wall. Okay, well, it's done. Just remember one thing, guys, when you spray your paintings, make sure you put on your mask, and then after you spray, wait for a couple minutes, bring those paintings inside. I have brought them and I placed it right here. Bring them inside and then wash your hands when you have no other work touching your paintings. So we have 3 frames. Bad news update. I cannot put this painting either on this frame. Look what happened. If you know, you can't insert the painting from here, you have to insert it from here. So the measurements are just what's in the glass, so I cannot put that painting. I have to fix my paintings to the frame and put it on the wall. I just want my paintings on the wall. I'm so obsessed to see my paintings around on walls because I am so far away from art exhibitions. I have had one in my life when I was pursuing my master's. I think my house is going to be an art exhibition for myself. I think that's an accomplishment, when you put your paintings around on walls, you look at them and feel that motivation. You feel that yes, you have done something good and you can do much better.